What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara Chanel. I go by Keeks or Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, whichever one is fine with me. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this color. It looks really good. Today's video is sponsored by Worldnewhair. They sent me over a 13x4 lace frontal unit. The length is 24 inches and the density is 180%. On the left hand side, you guys see the packaging. They sent me over some lashes, a wig cap. They even gave me the freaking fake edges, y'all. I don't know if they were trying to shade me or not, but like I thought it was funny. And then on the right hand side, you see the texture. You guys see how the lace coming in, all that good stuff. So off camera, I did the bleach bath, and the bleach bath is basically like a watercolor situation, but BW2 powder, your developer in water. So it's just the easier way to bleach your hair at once. I'm going to be using spice amber and cinnamon to be achieving this look. Now it'll say depending on what you're going for, you're going to use more of one and then less of the other. So for me, I wanted a more like golden undertone, like a really warm hue, so I went in with a lot of spiced amber and just a dash of cinnamon. If you guys wanted to be more on the darker brown side, then go ahead and go in with more of cinnamon and just a little bit of spiced amber. So just do whatever works for you, and then once you see that you have the color that you like and all that good stuff, you just move ahead and you're gonna go ahead and install it. So yeah, like I said, I did put a lot of spiced amber in there. So when I did blow dry my hair, it was giving off like a little bit of ginger vibes, and I was like, nah, that's not the look I'm going for. So I have the option to go back in and just put a dash of cinnamon and just dip it again, which I'm probably gonna do, but I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. But yeah, moving on to the install, I already adhered the lace to my forehead using my stick and slate adhesive from Keeks. You guys can DM me to purchase. And yeah, right now I'm just going ahead and I'm just going over the lace because it was giving a little bit of Casper vibes. So I'm just going in with some cream foundation, and I'm just going to go over it to make sure it's blending properly. After that, I'm putting on my band, and I'm going to proceed with doing the silk press. Make sure you use some shining oil and all that type of stuff. With this hair, I do suggest that you guys make sure you deep condition it, because after I did, go ahead and bleach it and apply the color, it was just a little dry. So I'm using the oil to, add moisture, but also add a little bit of shine back into the hair and all that good stuff. But yeah, just take it section by section. This hair was on the thicker side, so I will be, taking smaller sections and just going through until everything is completely pressed out. So that's what you guys will be seeing me doing. I'll come back and all that good stuff at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, so right here I'm just admiring the lace. I didn't even need to do no baby hairs. I probably shouldn't have done any baby hairs because it was giving scalpy on but the baby hair still look good and all too. So yeah, I went ahead and did me some baby hairs, and this pretty much in the video. This is 24-inch body wave. As you guys can see, it gave us a little bit of bone straight. So yeah, it definitely was wavy after I had already bleached it and everything. So I'm gonna wear it in its natural state as well. But yeah, I don't really have too many complaints with the hair itself. Other than that, make sure you guys please make sure you guys do a conditioning treatment. Otherwise, the hair will be super dry and super brittle. It'll feel brittle to touch. Just make sure you're taking care of it, you know, performing the aftercare for it. If you guys like this color, be sure to leave me a comment down below. I think it's just perfect for all 4 seasons. Like, the browns never get old. I'm such a fan of the browns on myself. It just looks so good. And yeah, I was really feeling the color. I hope you guys are feeling it as well. Leave me a comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.